in 1000 and 2000 BC. So pretty anxious to see that.
Who'd have known that there would be something ancient in this part of the world? I mean, 1000, 2000 BC, that's a long time ago. But this is called a petroglyph. Lake Hartwell right here. So I'm taking you guys with me. We'll check it out. Let's go. We're getting ready to go past the Coney County nuclear site. We have a lake called Lake Kiowee that's got a nuclear power plant on it. We'll see if we can see that. You can see the stacks over there. There's a place on the lake called the Hot Hole. It's where the hot water, they use water to cool the reactors, and where the water comes out into the lake is a real popular spot for fishermen in the winter. That water temperature around the Hot Hole stays, well, in the summer it's hot, but in the winter it stays, never gets colder than about 62 degrees around the reactors where the hot water discharge is at. So needless to say, it's going to hold fish year round. It's a big place, 3 reactors, and I feel like I'm going to get run over. Pretty neat. Amazing. A lot of electricity comes from that right there. Okay, let's go. I've been here before, but I want to show it to you guys, maybe close up and personal, because I think you'll like it.
Turn left, then turn left.
can't believe I did that. I see the light blinking down there. It's about 15 foot down. This is straight down slope. What a dummy. I almost lost my drone. You'll see it in the footage, I think. Unbelievable. Ran out of battery with like 10 foot to go before it was in a safe position. Straight down bank, looking into Whitewater Falls. Wow, I'll never do that again.